Cloning is another way of asexual reproduction which is not done naturally. It is a method where two organisms are used and the cells from the body of the two organisms are used to produce a new organism. Cloning is the production of an exact copy of a cell. That means you are making a cell which looks exactly like the parent, the cell, and any other living part so that it forms a complete organism. That means you are making a new organism from a cell. Since you are forming a new organism from a cell, so a cell is actually forming a new cell. Therefore, the new cell which is formed looks exactly same as the parent, just like in amoeba. When amoeba reproduces, the two amoeba which are formed, which are the daughter cells, they look exactly like the parent. So, cloning of an animal was successfully performed for the first time by Ian Wilson and his colleagues at the Roslin Institute in Edinburgh, and it was done in 1996. They cloned successfully a sheep named Dolly. Now from the picture you can see that there are two sheep. The first picture is of the sheep whose cell was used, and another one whose ovum was used, and they were artificially mixed together, and therefore the cell was not used, the reproductive cell was not used, but the mammary cells were used. There was Dorset sheep and the another sheep. Both of them did not resemble each other, both were from a different breed, but when the organism was formed, then it was a mixture of. Now what was the process of cloning? During the process of cloning, the cloning was done of the Dolly sheep. A cell was collected from the mammary gland of the female Finn Dorset sheep. So there are two sheep shown in the picture. From the first sheep, the mammary gland of the sheep was used to collect cell. It was not a reproductive cell. Simultaneously, an egg was collected from the Scottish black ewe sheep. The nucleus was removed from the egg. So just the nucleus, the whole egg was not used. The nucleus was removed from the egg. When the nucleus was removed from the egg, and the nucleus of the mammary gland cell which was recovered from the second sheep, it was also removed. This was then inserted into the egg of the Scottish black sheep. So what happened? You are taking the nucleus of two. One is a mammary gland and one is the female reproductive cell, and the nuclei of both the cells were mixed. The egg thus produced was implanted. When the two nuclei were fused, then it formed a cell which was then input into the body of the Scottish black. Development of this egg followed like normally in the body of the mother it takes place. So this cell was mixed from the cells, and both were not reproductive cells, they were produced from just the nucleus. So that is why only the genetic part of the cell was used, the reproductive cell was not used. So what was the reason for doing this? The reason for doing this was that you wanted to make exact clone resembling the cell. The development of this egg followed normally, and finally Dolly was born. The sheep which was born by that time, it was produced, and it was a remarkable development, because earlier the cloning of plant cells was done, but the cloning of animal was done, and this sheep which was formed was a revolution. The sheep which was formed, whose nucleus and it was formed from the egg of the Scottish black ewe, was renamed Dolly, and this had the characters of both the organisms, of both the parents. Dolly was a healthy clone. Now why it was called clone? Because it resembled the parent exactly. And this sheep lived for a long time, but it is said that after some time it developed some diseases. Unfortunately, Dolly died and it could not live for long. So what could have been the reason? The reason could have been that it was maybe not formed naturally. Since Dolly, several attempts have been made to produce cloned mammals. What is the reason for making clone? The idea of making clone is that you can produce animals which are exact replica of another animal. Now the main objective is that if you take example of a cow, and the cow is able to produce large amount of milk and eats minimum amount of food. Now you will have only one cow which will have the good quality. If you want to make many cows of the same type, then you can use genetic engineering, and in this genetic engineering you will make clone of the same cow and many will be formed which will produce the same results. So this will become a revolution. Now in future it has been said that there are human clones. In movies you must have heard about human clones, and the research is still going on around the world, and in many countries the cloning is being done, but it has been called illegal and it has been called immoral, because if you will make a clone, now why will a human being make a clone? If you make a clone, then it will be you will not be able to catch hold of a person who's real and who's fake. So if you make a clone, that is considered illegal and the research is banned, but many countries are undergoing the same as a secret mission, and they are making clone. Now cloning will become a benefit because you can make clone of sports personalities, political personalities, and it will be considered as a revolution. But it is still a process, it is still a research going on, and maybe some parts of the world may have already gone into detail of this, but no one declares that we have done proper cloning in humans. In movies you come to know, you must have read that cloning is done. So cloning is actually a part of asexual reproduction, where a new organism is formed from another reproductive cell, not from the parent. That is why it is called